Countdown to the season opener on your official Packers station. You can feel the excitement in the air as the green and gold get ready to take on the 49ers at Lambeau Field. The season kicks off on Sunday with another home game days later against the Bears. Tonight, the Stadium District is already welcoming fans and preparing for a whole lot more. NBC 26's Cassandra Duval is live at 6.
The Greater Green Bay Convention and Visitors Bureau says there are still some hotel rooms left for this Sunday's game, but there are even fewer left for the games against the Bears, bringing lots of fans into Titletown. Shopping for the kickoff game.
We're from Colorado Springs. We come back every year for a game.
Jane Rosenhoover knows Packer games bring in the money. About $8.5 million for each home game.
Not just to those that directly benefit from the actual dollar coming from the visitor or the fan into their cash register. It's spread throughout the community.
Helping businesses like hotels, grocery stores, restaurants and bars, and of course places like the Jersey Store.
Those 8 regular season games and 2 preseason games are huge to every business in this area. None of us could survive without the home games.
They're already busy today with fans buying up a storm. And next door, Stadium View owner Jerry Watson is getting the stage set for Sunday.
You can't bring me too much beer, you can't bring me too much liquor, you can't bring me too much food.
2 games in just 5 days, they have to be ready for the crowds.
I overstock all the time.
Fans know what the kickoff to the season means.
Inspirational and just excitement.
With high hopes for the rest of the year.
We take one game at a time.
And those games mean a real economic boost to the city of Green Bay. Now, if you or someone you know is still looking for a hotel room for either of the games coming up, call the Convention and Visitors Bureau and they will tell you what's available. Cassandra Duval, NBC 26.